Okay. Um, okay, YouTube is going, Twitch is going, and drop this in the Discord server, and then just pin my link. Twitch and on YouTube. And done. That's it, we're all set up now. Oh, great. Yeah, what I want to do today. We'll give it a try. Let me put some music for myself, and I got here some Cheetos. Yeah. Good. And we're golden. Playlist. Yes. Okay. Let's give it a try, see what's up. Oh yeah. That we gotta fix that. The fan looking thing. Also, why is it not visible from this side? Like, it's barely visible. I already have it set to two-sided. Oh, it's just the angle, okay. It's just the angle. Alright, that's okay. let's fix that first. So we only want that to appear. We want that to appear when we have the fan bat. But we also want to remove it when we remove just anything, basically. When we go back to normal bat, which is this one. So hide it. There we go. And then in here we go to the fan. This is the fan. Do it here. Cheetos, very tasty. How do I get this? Cats murdering each other behind my computer. Oh no. Weapon selected. How do I get this? I only wanna get the specific one if that's the one that's set. Oh hey Quinn. Yeah, chomps the bonk. Yeah, I'm having some Cheetos at the moment, so I'm definitely chomping. Need some energy, you know. There you go, my Cheetos with salted corn puffs as well. Tasty. Yes, yes. I just finished a bag of Haribo. What the fuck is that? Wait, let me look it up. Oh, Jellos. No, wait. I know. I've had these. I just never registered the brand in my head. Oh, damn. All men like you still eat kiddie stuff. You streaming today? I just popped on your Twitch page earlier and it said you have a stream scheduled for today. Nice. Yeah, what? And what time you streaming? I didn't check the time. Like how many hours from now? Uh, not streaming. But I swear I look at uh you need to take a schedule off, okay. Yeah, it says you gotta stream today. You just popped up on top of my list there, and I'm like, was he active or something? Why you number one? You know? Last year I used to stream games with my friend on Friday, but his kids got older and one needing attention, but not old enough to join us on stream. Oh shit, wait, I just noticed the chat is not on stream. But yeah, I get that. I understand. Okay, there's Twitch and YouTube as well. So I think it should pop up. Minimize. Each fan. And what was that called again? SM fan bat. My next stream is 100% 29th of July. A week and a half later. Okay. I hope I pop by too. Love to see. So I can also bullshit you about your game. Like you bullshit mine. But hey, congrats. Congrats on getting to the point of playtests. Honestly, that's awesome. I'm sure I'll support yours too. Don't be. I'm sure it's great. But I am really curious to see what the hell your game is. I'm listening to a song right now. Look at that, it doesn't have a fucking title. I lose it sometimes. But it's just chill music. It's pretty nice for game development. I don't know if it's copyright free though. That's why I'm not putting it on the stream. You just chill. Oh. You say you got to the stage of PlayStation. I started playtesting at the point where people could really. Damn, he wanna make sure he not missing anything from what the players desire. Damn. Where do you do your playtest though? Like, you just have a private server or something where you send it, or do you do it on Steam? Hey, there isn't much going on, but you know, break shit. Steam Play. Okay, wait. Send me link to your game then. Let me see. Let me add it to wishlist. What the hell? Momo? Oh, don't be. Mine is trash. Yours can be worse than mine, honestly. Oh yeah, I believe. I want to make a trailer for mine, but it's not there yet. No, 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 no. Okay, pick this up. We got the fan. We use it. Use it one more time. And it's good. Nice. I sent it to one friend. They asked if they could share in a Bitcoin mining. What the fuck? You think you're scamming them? Are you crypto mining us? And the cooldown doesn't seem to be cooldowning properly. That's how I made the dream happen. Damn. How long you been doing this? How much money you got of us? Why the hell you still making game then? You settled. It seems like the cooldown is too early. So like, well, let's change the ability timer. I know how many times I use the hammer. That's why I want to change. Hammer, hammer. Hammer is the first one. I want to use it 3 times. Okay, bomb. I'm spamming. The icon already appeared as in ready to use, but it's not usable. One more time. Spamming, looking at the ready icon, it's ready, it's not doing anything, and then it does it, and I'm still spamming ready and still nothing. Why? Okay, now it's in sync. Yes, now we're good. Okay, that's another problem down the drain. So I don't know why. Um, so I'm giving delay of 3 seconds, and then I'm already passing this to the widget as well. So here is 3 seconds, but I have to set it to 4. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Again. Oh, wait, I think I know why. It's because at 0, this delay becomes available already. No, wait, it needs to count to 0. Meanwhile, when you reach 0, my widget, it's already changing icon. It doesn't go 3, 2, 1, 0, go. It goes 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's fine. We solved it by adding 1 extra. Fine, everything's fine. How would I go about making an escalator though? What the fuck? Why are you off center? How would I go about making an escalator? Like when player is inside the volume, press down for them? So it makes it look like they're climbing up? I don't know. That is an interesting question, isn't it? So basically this here would be an escalator. And either it goes up on one side and down on the other. Currently I made it like this. If you are climbing and then you jump, your character just cannot go up anymore. I don't know, I just found it interesting at the time, but now I don't think so as much anymore. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not all that sure anymore. They're tasty though. I've been wanting to eat these Cheetos for a while. I've had them there in the cabinet for so long. I was having some stomach problems, so I haven't really been eating any chips and stuff. Stuck to the surface and then it moves up, huh? Yeah. Though, you know, it's one thing when you make an escalator that Make a something that just moves up like this. When it moves down, you can hide it in the underground. But how do you hide it when it's going up like this? Unless I literally go and make it small chunks like this that are constantly moving one after another like this constantly, and then just loops and keeps going and loops and keeps going like that. Right? Well, yeah, I definitely was thinking about the conveyor type. I don't want to make actual stairs. You know, in when you go in a shop, you want to be able to go around with your trolley, with your cart, right? So they mostly have those flat escalators, which I guess it's like a conveyor belt. Yeah. So I was thinking, travel. What the travel? The who? Travelator. Travelator. That's the actual name for it. Fuck my life! I've never heard that before. Yeah, true, true. Ah. Well, for now, let's just make it a black material. What is this? Color picker black? Oh god, it's pitch black. Is even a material? Heck is this? Ignore the black stairs. Don't go to hell. Yeah. I was trying the other day to ask AI to imagine me a level, how it would look if I would try to, just make a few more uh make myself some simple meshes, like like tables and plants and shit. I mean, this already looks quite nice actually. I do like the way this looks. Don't be like that, it's just for ideas. Yeah, ID canceling, huh? But no, yeah, it's just for ideas, because I'm very bad when it comes to concepts. I mean, you see how my game looks, right? This one was made by Gemini, and this one made by GPT. Yeah, that and helping you when you blocked on a code or something. Though sometimes I'll be honest with you, sometimes I ask AI like, why is this not working, and it starts telling me, and it honestly made me more confused than anything. In the end, I still go and look at forums and shit. I think it's because I still to this day I don't understand how code really works when I just think about it, and I need to see it visually, otherwise it doesn't work. True, and much cheaper too, even completely free. I mean, look, I'm the kind of guy that works with Fiverr people for some work stuff for my own work, and sometimes you gotta do revisions, and revisions can cost you up sometimes. Me too. But yeah, people will get angry. They will be like, why don't you hire an actual concept artist to make you concepts? Well, what if I just want to have everything done myself, though? What if I really don't want to work with anybody else? What I really don't have the money for it either? That's where AI comes in helpful. When I keep seeing the videos on YouTube about people using AI to make a full game, like just tell AI do this, do this, do this, and AI just makes everything. I'm like, this is the end. Yeah, but it's getting more and more common. What are you gonna do when you're gonna have thousands of lines of code and actors to manage? AI is not gonna do shit, and you're not gonna know what to do either. But yeah, really, there's this YouTube guy. All he makes nowadays is just videos like, I made a game in one day using Claude and all that kind of stuff straight in the engine. I like to use AI to read error logs for me, then export them. I see, man. Just so I can just import to my bug tracker. Yeah, that's also. See, those are great ways to do it. It saves you time, and you don't actually screw anything up with it. But yeah, I was looking at this. I guess this is a nice, simple design. I really don't want to make anything too fancy. Of course, the top side will not be visible, so never mind that. And then the shops will be interior shops. They will have the logos on the wall, but the shops will be more like what GPT made inside the wall and with the glass blocking the way inside. Yeah, this is nice as well. And I like how with the cookie in the center. I kept asking Gemini to make ideas and it was just going, I don't know, hallucinating, I guess. It became from a simple design to whatever this is. Next level stuff. Many floors and everything. He's level 22. But yeah, it's good for ideas. I'm also actually thinking to keep this playtest map, and I'm just gonna copy this whole level and redo the layout and make it nice looking, and then we'll have two maps, and this one we'll have one map where there's no second floor, and then the playtest map where it has a second floor. I think that would be easier for me to quickly get done as well, just to be able to make a trailer or something. Man, I'm running low. Only a few left. That's times. Oh shit, then I gotta order food soon. Okay, in 10 minutes. Okay, let's do some further testing, see what else needs tweaking. My stamina works. I do kinda need to reduce the speed though. Wait, what is my current speed though? 3000. So max walk speed 700. Uh, 1100 seems decent. Yeah. Okay, so change. Oh, well, let me fix that. This. Okay. That fix it or is gonna be still broken? No, it's still broken. Why does the size of my bat change? Like, holy shit, is this a feature or a bug? Weird. The hell? Yeah, no, see? I thought it was because I had here I had in here some attachments added, but no. When I go to change my character model from male to female, the bat becomes huge. Oh, now she's bold. Well, if I pick up something, he's the huge. Holy. God damn. So let's see, where do I change this? Does the bat get big if you try to change a color too? No, it doesn't. And then when I switch back to male, it goes back to normal also. So huge, can change colors, and then I go back and it's back to small. So something in the code here, I guess. This one. Oh god, okay. I hate going back to old code. I always forget what the fuck I did here. Yep, that is weird. Especially even more as it goes back when you switch back to male. You mean change this to female? I don't think it does. Yeah, see? It doesn't. Oh, fine. So something at the runtime gets messed up. Though I don't remember this being an issue in the past. It just happened one day. Let me close some stuff. Now change to male. Now wait, it switches to female first. And now my bat is gone. What the hell? My bat is gone. It's the right size now, but it's gone. Yeah, you did. Okay, let's figure it out, I guess. Now it's gonna grow big again. Yep. Yeah, free service. Thanks. Thanks for not charging me. Appreciate it. So we go server, multicast, change the mesh and do a shmenshi here. Model change attempts. Bro, I'm not doing anything. I'm just changing the mesh. Oh. Is the bat is attached to my character. Do you think it gets detached? Currently my bat has a very low scale value. It's possible that it gets detached from the character and that's what's making it huge. Or not. True. True. The hell are you colliding with? Oh, that volume, yeah. True. So it ain't that. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking, that the bat somehow changes size, scale. See, that's how the bat looks at one scale. Quick text, remake the bat with correct size and scale of 1, then see. What you mean remake? I don't want to remake the bat. It's connected to so many things, it's gonna break. Like, I'm not calling anything on the player. Actually, talk about, I think I should do this kind of thing on the player. So let's do that first before anything. It's a mesh. It's just a mesh. He's not an actor. Oh no. What idea you got? Nothing's happening. Oh, I'm calling the wrong one. Change character model. Oh, still huge. The weird thing is, even after I detach the bat from the mesh, it still does that. But the bat is attached to the bone though. To the socket. No, I think I know what's the problem. I don't think it's like that. It's the bat, it's attached to my character on a socket. The socket the socket is this. And when we change model, the whole everything here changes, and it detaches for a second for a frame, and that's when the size gets fucked up. So they are the same skeleton but different mesh. See, when I open it, it comes to the male. It's just a mesh. The skeleton is exactly the same. It doesn't, but you see what happens. It's weird. Also, where's my construction script? Hello. This. There's something off with this. We lost it. Wait. Okay, so we start, we don't have bad. And then it does appear when we switch back. Did it go to 0 or some shit? Also, can you stop with the bad size, please? We have no bat. Keep relative, so what does this do if I set it to the scale? No, it goes back. Why I feel like this is where the issue is happening. Oh, it became tiny. Don't tell me now it's gonna become huge when I go switch the character again. Oh no. Let's they should really let us print that, you know. They should make a way when you search print, when you plug in from any variable that can be printed, just make this automatically and give us the print. It became 0.1. Why? I set it to 1. Scale 1. And then probably when I switch character, it becomes 1. Yeah, look, it became 1000 from 0.1. Well, 1. What the hell? Okay, wait. Another test. I will disable this. Yeah, it should be running, I think. Okay, wait. Yeah, look. The bat doesn't change size anymore when I stop the construction script. Is it bad that I'm doing this on the construction script? Should I just do it on event begin play? I don't know why I put it there. I don't know. Where's my begin play? Yeah. Oh, hey, I see these days tiny. Oh no, it's changing size again. You see shit like this that makes me lose my mind. No more. I ate enough of it. I have more, but no more. And I need to order food. It's late. Let's run some more ideas. I don't get why this is happening. It's related to it being attached to the character, but why does it change when I change the model even though the skeleton is exactly the same? What the hell? Need to order food. Give me a moment to order food. Hungry. Wife gets cranky if hungry. Ow. This was not an issue before. Does this happen in single player? Tiny? Yes, it happens in single player as well, so not a server thing. Okay, put this on the way. Is it too late to take my pills now? We'll see. Testing. Oh yeah. Something else I wonder. How does it look for other players? It looks like as expected. No, it's for everybody. It's for everybody. It was a bit hard to see, but it's the same for both characters. Am I just gonna have to set it manually each time we switch? We swap characters, set the scale of the bat. Because otherwise I don't know what to do. Seems like Unreal just keeps causing this. No, this is it. This is the only thing. What if I use something else? Is there a different attach? Not really. Wait, I did this on the wrong thing. Effects have attach, but this doesn't. Hey, Orangey Pink, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the suffering. Wait, sockets. Does that work? Is he tiny? I can't really see. Oh yes, it is tiny. And no, I don't think I do. I don't think I changed the bat scale anywhere. Wait, we'll look into it in just a second. I'm trying to see this here. Um, let's see if it changes size. Oh, I still change the size. Whoa, what the? That's not it. Funny jokes, Orange. Funny jokes. Scale on the socket. Sockets have scale. Oh, it's a weird scale. Wait, I think that fixed it. What the hell? They have different scales? Wait, did the male version have a scale of 0.1, meanwhile the female version has a scale of 1? But how is that possible? Is they sharing the same model? What the hell? Motherfuckers even using dirhams now. Well, 50 dirham is better than $50. But yeah, thanks. That fixes it then. Um, you just gotta do the rotations manually, I guess. I don't really want to do this. Wait, I should be already set properly. Yeah. Hallelujah. Thanks, Quinn, for being here, for existing. You helped me, pointed me in the right direction to check. Do your rotations and scaling on the skeleton. Yeah, that's why as you saw, I set everything to 0. Yeah, everything is 0. Beside the scale. Huzzah! Yes. Huzzah! Damn, there's some YouTuber guy keep popping in my shorts. Huzzah! Excellent to set the scale. Yes, I know. What, she get broken again? Oops. No. Yes, I just removed them earlier. I thought that was the issue. Okay, how do I change the scale for the female though? Exactly. Why is there only one? Women always being the problem, man. I agree. Ah, look, it's huge. Wait, what the fuck? It's not the same. It's not. What? Wait, what? Yeah, apparently not. Apparently, I have one version that uses the skeleton of the male and one version that doesn't. Well, that's weird. That is weird. Wait, no, this is the male. What the shit? Yeah, that is definitely the root cause. Indeed, indeed. And I do not know why this is the case, honestly. It's not like I gave her jiggle physics. You know? No. Nah, Queen is no AI. This guy knows what he talking about, not like AI. Okay, well, that explains a lot. What if I change it? Is it gonna break? It should be a 1-to-1. I think that worked. Yeah, I think that worked. We changed the skeleton. Now it's the same skeleton. Now we should have no issue anymore. Yes, it's looking good. Whoa, I wonder how long that would have taken me if I was just working on it by myself. Nice, nice. Very nice. We did it. We did a thing. Okay. Becoming an alien will always be my favorite thing to do. Your AI slow bores me. The fuck is this? Oh wait, I've seen this before. Okay, yeah, it's trying to fool people into believing you're either human or AI. Ah, yes, yes. Okay, so doors do open. Once we leave the area, they close. Let me remove that print string because it's pissing me off. Where was it in the normal event graph? This we don't need anymore. And where's the event tick though? Event tick. There it is. Might be a bad idea. Might be a bad idea that I'm doing the pointer on event tick, but that runs locally, so I think it's fine. It runs locally, right? Yes, it does. So it's fine. I really wish you would use some for folders in. Yeah. I mean, listen. This is from when I was just starting the project. This, like I said, was a jam project, and going through making folders was really not my thing right back then. So the early things are really messy and all over the place, but hey, as long as I know where they are, right? Look, I made a folder for visual effects. But yes, things should get one day I will go through and sort everything a bit better. Hopefully nothing breaks. Yeah, no worries. But I definitely feel that, honestly. This was never meant to be a big game. That's why. Turn the game into a Bitcoin miner. No, not me. It's the Queen's game. It's a Bitcoin miner, not mine. Okay, that works. Ability works. We can change to other ability. Oh, this is something I wanted to change. Currently, when I slip on this, I need to show you what happens. What happens if you sleep on water? Let's move ourselves somewhere else. Yeah. I mean, you can definitely do that, and people gonna fall for it, I guess. So there's something here that I need to change. When I use these and they are in a row like this, when I sleep on it, it sends me flying big time. Pick this up, switch here. So they just keep pushing me, which it's not what we want. Wait, I think the cooldown is too long on the water. Where the hell do I even do the cooldown again? You abandon ragdolls? Yeah, it's very painful. I do have a problem that I need to find a solution for with the ragdolls. Basically, when you do a ragdoll into a wall, there's a good chance that you might end up through the wall when you stand up. Or let's say somebody kicks you like this and you press just at the right time when you hit the wall, your character will end up on the other side of the wall, which is not great. But yeah, anyway, currently the problem is no matter how fast you are moving, you get applied the same amount of speed when you've fallen, and then you just keep going on the water, which is not very realistic, is it? Yeah, whenever you are in ragdoll, there's no inputs. Yes. You see how far it pushes you? Um so I think I want to make it if wait, I just need to find the code again. No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. Once you go in ragdoll, that's it. It's gone. It's gone. Trying to figure out where the hell do I make the character slip. Here, I guess. Not so. Let's close some things. I'm getting confused with all the tabs. Oh no! I closed the water trap again. I'm worried we might not be able to satisfy the queen. What you mean? Yeah, I did order food. Ordered some barbecue chicken with onions and milk cream and boiled sausages. Yes. I'm just trying to figure out where the hell do I apply that impulse. It's basically an impulse when you... Oops. Oh shit, you can still trigger the ability. It's an impulse when you hit the water. Where am I applying that impulse again? Oh god. Look at all that nice colors. Ah, here it is. Yeah, so basically I get the forward vector of the actor and then I just send them. So I think I should also get the velocity. And maybe use this to calculate how much force we want to apply to the sliding instead of just like 1 million. What's that? Is that even 1 million? Yes. No, wait, it's 100K. Anyway, I get confused when I see so many zeros. Right, don't let me have two converts here. Oh wait, how would I do this? I'm bad with math. Cannot pay you enough. So again, I'm trying basically just walk myself through this. I already know I want to slide in this direction, the forward vector. It's just that the strength, I don't want it to be too high. I want it to be based on the velocity. So I'll just make it like 500, 500, 500. We plug it in here and we see what happens, I guess. What happened here? Why? Okay, you know, I will just do it like this instead. Not like this. I will make it like this. Hell yeah. You got Greek letters, what the hell? Oh! Oh, that was too much. And in the wrong direction. This might not be what we need. Can we convert velocity just to float? Like this? No, not this. The fuck is this? Vector structure? Why would you give me a structure? What does this do? Wait, we'll do a print again. We'll see what it do. Hello? Where was my event tick again? Okay, yeah, this works. Yeah, should work. Where was I earlier? Somewhere in the tag logic. Here, yeah. Yeah, I think that's enough. My code is so messy. Wait, I want to change the cooldown for the water trap though. Where do I set the cooldown? Here. You think so? Very kind of you to say, but I don't buy it. Yeah, that looks a lot better. We just slip based on speed. I honestly think it will be so funny when you can just punch your friends around like this. Question is, how will it run on the server? So I don't know if, yeah, see, sometimes that happens. It gets applied so many times. And then you just become like a speeding boat in the water. Okay, food is on the way. Food, I'm hungry. Hungry. Well, not really, I just ate Cheetos, but still. I don't know, to me, when I see so many lines and everything, I feel like the code is already so fucked. Calling so many things from other characters and everything. Oh. But hey, if I was to do this in C++ instead, I would get completely lost, honestly. Check this out. See what I mean? Like this. I don't know how to stop that. One of my characters just suddenly goes speedboat. It's still happening all the same. Maybe if we check if it's in ragdoll already, don't apply force anymore. I do kinda have that here. You can think of it the same way. I'm sure you know what this means. It's what is it actually? Wait, ray hit actors. Yeah, here. Basically, I do a sphere trace. Whatever it finds, it adds to this list, and if they are in that list, don't do anything. So it's the same as do once until the player leaves the area, which they leave when they leave the overlap box. That's when the array clears. But basically have that already. The problem is when you touch the other water, it adds extra force. The other water trap. But wait, I just noticed this thing I'm calling can stand up. This is on my... What the fuck? This is on my player. On my player. Not on the guy that got affected, whoever this guy is. Hello, welcome to the stream. Mahir. Yeah, I know I'm old fashioned with the multicasts, with the casting. I know. Not used to the interfaces yet. As for the multicast, this is the best way I know right now. Rem notifies are only no simple stuff. I don't know how to really use them properly yet. Maybe in the next project. I was looking at this. Food arrived? No, it didn't. You mean yours? Mine is still halfway there. I was just looking at something on the side. Oh, yes, die. Nice. Hello, Nanit. Oi. Oi, what happened? Yeah, thanks very much, Mahir. I appreciate that. You definitely need the luck. What's up? What's up? What's up? Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Come here. Come. I want to check here if it's ragdolling. I don't know if I should use and or something else. I don't really use these often. What's it doing? You want to bite my nose? Enjoy your food, Queen. Tasty food. What? Don't know why it disappeared in some spots. Okay, I need my hands. Go back to your spot. Go back to your spot. I need my hands. Text my heat. I'm not looking at any casting right now, but I'll keep that in mind. Can see. Okay, so it's not adding the impulse at all. I'm confusion with this. Basically, I don't know which node to use to check if we are in a ragdoll already. If we are, don't do anything. Because I think if I use end, this is looking to make sure that both are true and then it does it. But I don't want that. I want if this one's not true, then don't do anything. I don't know how to do that. Do a not this. Yeah, if ragdoll is true, do nothing. Wasn't there a way to invert this? Was this it for it inverting? Do I remember wrong? So it does flip the value, okay. It's not working. It's not working. The other bull, if it's trap, it's coming from the trap to only do this section if it's a trap. Otherwise, don't do it and just continue the line. So you say no? Yeah, I was trying. I was trying to save a branch. I was trying to just save a branch, not to do one more branch. Right? If we are already in ragdoll, we don't need to do this anymore. Get up, character. Character, get up. Damn, he's not getting up. What happened? That was a good carry. Hell yeah. Oh no, I don't like that kind of carry. I do not like it when it makes you sweaty. Ooh. Weird. Weird. Oh wait, by the time this comes, I think we're already in ragdoll. That's why. But if I make it like this, it's just gonna keep doing what we don't want it to do, I think. Yep, it is. Uh, bro. Okay, so this is not working. Basically, by the time this code runs, we are ready in Ragdoll, so when Ragdoll gets set here. So by that point, us checking for Ragdoll, that's nothing anymore. Yeah, that can work. Man, when I think about making the AI for this game, though, well, that's gonna be something. I mean, what can I do? I'm just gonna have to make a child of my playable character, and just gonna have to make a child of my character and add bot abilities to it, like knowing where to go, knowing how to avoid or chase the player, use the abilities, shit like that. Oh, it's gonna be painful. It's in the soul training out of me. Yeah, I'm also a bit tired. I'll be stopping soon. I'm just waiting for the food to come. Oh, it's downstairs. Will be coming soon. Yeah. Well, it's not exactly a job. I'm self-employed, but you know, I don't do game dev full time. Obviously, have never released a game before, so still gotta make the bread, right? That's why some days I'm not streaming. I just come so tired. I'm I don't want to deal with anything anymore. See, you said earlier that you think there's still movement. I'm currently spamming WASD, nothing's happening. So it's just the velocity pushing my character. Don't be like this. You help me so much. Don't be like this. Okay, well, food is almost here, so I'm call it now because I'm gonna have to go. Guys, thank you for watching. Thanks, Quinn. Thanks, Orangey. Thanks, Mahir. I appreciate you guys, and we made good progress today. I will look more into this one later, and hopefully we make it work. Yeah, thanks for the company. Really appreciate it. All right, bye bye. Bye bye.